feed my osoboso. I have his food here. I already cut it. And on another day, I will show how I cut his food. So what I do is I cut up broccoli, apples, and carrots, and spinach, and then I add a little bit of seeds in there, and they love it. Okay. Buenos dias, osoboso. And so I'm teaching him how to speak Spanish. Okay, he is very smart. He knows how to unlock the cage. That's why I have a little clip here. And he unlocks the cage and he gets out on his own. He's like, I'm ready to get out. And so I thought, no, because I gotta pay. When I'm working, I work from home. I have to make sure that he's fine. You know, like a little kid and don't get into anything. So I put a little bit here in the morning. And another thing that also Bosa does is he got a little attitude. Uh, he knocks over this little his feeder. He knocks it over when he don't put no food in there. So let me know I need some more food. But watch what he does. He hits the bell. See? Yeah, he's smart. Yeah. Anyways, I will be making more videos. Stay tuned and please don't forget to subscribe and write down, subscribe and like, and let me know what type of videos would you like to see, and I will make them. Thank you. Have a wonderful day, and remember, be grateful for something today. I am grateful today for being alive. I am grateful for my birds. I'm grateful for my life. I'm grateful for my husband. Peace out.